Hello there. We are going to learn how to search with TermLynx. With TermLynx, you can search for any named entity defined within your agreement. These include defined terms, articles and sections, or any other attached documents like schedules and exhibits. Let's open the attached document and search with TermLynx. Use the search bar at the top of TermLynx to find any named entity. We will search for hypothec, a defined term in this agreement. Once you select a named entity from the search, TermLynx will display the results in the bottom section. You can use your mouse or the arrow keys on your keyboard to select results. Once you select a result, the TermLynx Explorer will automatically navigate to it. There are 4 categories of results. Meanings are the locations in your agreement where the named entity is defined. For a defined term, it would be the definition. For an article, it would be the title. Instances are every single location referring to that named entity. For a defined term, it would be every occurrence of that term. For a section, it would be every section reference pointing to that particular section. Used by defined terms are all instances located within a definition of a defined term. In this result, you can see that hypothec is used in the definition of indebtedness. Lowercase instances is only available for named entities that are defined terms. They are all non-capitalized occurrence of the term. By default, TermLynx automatically selects the most relevant meaning once you complete a search. We will search for the term adverse encumbrance, and you will see its definition immediately in TermLynx. To view the selected result in Microsoft Word, press Enter. If there is no corresponding named entity to your search, TermLynx will execute a text search. A text search is just like Microsoft Word's Control-F. A text search organizes results by location in the agreement. Let's recap. You can search for any text or named entity in TermLynx. Use your arrow keys on your keyboard to navigate across different results. Press Enter to move in Word to the selected result. Congratulations! You have completed Module 3. In Module 4, you will learn to detect errors in your document.